cave in a rock. Let's have a look. Good morning. Today let's go check out Pak Khat. Okay, we're on the river now in Pak Khat. Take a look. Okay, we're at Tum Si Tum Temple in Pak Khat. Take a look. It's like a big cave in a rock. Let's have a look. It's made from ceramic pots. Take a look. Fell over. Check it out. Oh my God, what's going on here? Oh yeah. Puffed out after walking up there. We've made it to the top. Take a look. You can see the Mekong River here, and just over there is Laos. Like in a cave. I was wondering why there's water all over the floor. You can see now. Everyone wants to see me fly the drone. Take a look at this. Okay, have a look. Check out this basketball court. Check this out. I just put the drone up. You can see this water park in Pak Khat. Who would have known this was here? go, eh? This looks like it's going to be like a wave pool. Check this out. What a bloody great idea. This place is cool.